everybody, and today I have my pet eagle parrot Terry. Terry is an eagle parrot and he helps me deliver very, very special messages. I need to deliver a message to Sam that we're saying that we have a sleepover, so we have to use Terry. Terry, can you deliver this note to Sam? Fly, Terry, fly! Time to do my favourite activity, shooting birds. Oh, this looks good. Perfect shot. It's Terry. I want to shoot Terry the most because he's one of Harry's friends. Come on, Monty. This is a chance to get revenge on Harry. Uh-oh, I missed. I'm screwed. Put me down! Don't put me down like that! I think I broke my spine. Dooby-dooby-doo. Is that Terry? Ta-ta! Ta-ta! Oh, I think that's the message. Terry delivered it for me. Ta-ta! Yep, this is definitely Harry's handwriting. Okay, to Sam. We are having a sleepover afternoon from your best bud, Harry, with a smiley face. Thank you, Harry. I'll be definitely reminding myself for that. Ta-ta!